Welcome to this guide on the new payment interface in SalesPlay POS. Introduced in version 115.5, the payment process has been redesigned to be faster, smarter, and more user-friendly. This update reduces manual steps such as entering currency notes by introducing easy-to-use currency buttons. The system also suggests payment values and settlement options, helping you complete transactions more efficiently. In this video, we'll walk through each of the new features and show you how to configure them. Let's get started. Let's begin by looking at the new payment layout. In previous versions, payment types were displayed at the top of the payment screen. In the new payment interface, the default payment type appears on the right-hand side for quicker access, while the remaining payment types are displayed below the currency notes section. In portrait mode, the layout is adjusted so that an additional payment options appear below the payment section. Now let's take a look at the new country-specific currency note options. SalesPlay automatically displays currency denominations based on the configured currency, helping speed up cash transactions. For example, if the bill amount is $400, the system may suggest suitable currency notes based on the available denominations. If new currency notes or coins become available, you can easily add them to the system. Let's see how. Log in to the SalesPlay POS backoffice. Navigate to Settings, then Features. Enable the Manage Currency option by ticking the checkbox. Click Save. Return to the Settings menu, where you'll now see a new currency section marked with a new tag. Open the Currency section and select your primary currency. Add the required banknotes and coins, pressing Enter after each value. Once you've added all denominations, click Update to save your changes. You can add up to 10 notes or coins. Once your currency notes and coins have been configured, SalesPlay can automatically calculate alternative settlement values. These suggested amounts are based on the available notes and coins you've added to the system. For example, if the bill amount is $140, the system may suggest settlement values such as $150, $200, $500, or $1,000. Depending on the available denominations, SalesPlay may suggest a combination of notes and coins or individual denominations to make cash transactions more convenient. Now, let's look at how these suggested currency values can be used during checkout. Simply tapping a suggested currency value processes the payment automatically. If you'd like staff to confirm the payment before it is completed, you can enable double confirmation. To do this, log into the back office. Navigate to Settings, then Payment Types. Select the required payment method. Enable double confirmation, then click Update. This setting is available for cash, card, credit, and check payment methods. Next, let's see how to process multiple payment methods in a single transaction. The previous multi-payment button has now been replaced with the Split feature. To use Split, add your products to the cart and tap Charge. Then tap Split in the top right corner. Select the first payment method, enter the payment amount, and tap Charge. Tap Continue. Then select the next payment method and complete the remaining balance. Once all payments have been added, tap Done to complete the transaction. Finally, let's take a look at the improvements made to alternative currencies. Alternative currencies are now displayed on the left-hand side of the payment screen instead of the right. Together with clear currency symbols and suggested settlement values, this new layout makes alternative currency payments easier to identify and quicker to process. To summarize, the new payment interface introduces several improvements designed to make the checkout process faster and more efficient. These include a redesigned payment layout, smart currency suggestions, configurable currency notes and coins, alternative settlement options, one-tap payments with optional confirmation, the new Split feature, and an improved alternative currency layout. Together, these enhancements help reduce checkout time, minimize manual input, and provide a better payment experience. That's it! You're now ready to use the new payment interface in SalesPlay POS. For more guides and tutorials, visit our Help Center. If you need assistance, please contact our customer support team at support@salesplay.com. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing SalesPlay POS.